Hello. This is our Sprint 2 outcome of what the parts we did during Sprint 2. There were many tasks we accomplished during Sprint 2, and during this video, I will go through all the use cases that we completed and all the new items we added to the website. The first use case we completed during this Sprint 2 is making the website more accessible. We added a text-to-speech option that can be used throughout the website. Here I will demonstrate this text-to-speech option. So if I click this sound button here at the bottom left, it turns on text-to-speech. If I hover over any of these
User login.
buttons, you will hear someone
Admin
speaking.
login.
Also, if I highlight text, it will read this text out.
Ongoing Living and Learning Incorporated is a Vibran.
We added this so that the website becomes more accessible and helps the people who cannot hear. The next use case we completed is adding a child login and adding a child page for them. So if I navigate to admin login and log in as an admin, you will see that there's a child list right here where the admin is able to add children to the website. If I go to add child, I can create a new child, put the parent's name, add any allergies, put the age, add the address. The password system we chose to use is a picture matching system. So the admin would assign a password to the child based on these images shown below. So I'm going to go with cat, dog, monkey, and then duck. As you can see, there's a visual sound effect for each of the animals and their pictures. There's a minimum of 4 images required for each password. Once I click submit, this child is now registered in the website. I will now demonstrate the login in component for the child. So simply, the child will select their name, and we just created this account, and then they would input the same pattern of images that the admin assigned to them. So in this case, it was duck, owl, horse, and then chicken. Once they click login, the child will be directed to their homepage. The current homepage is not done as it was not part of this sprint, but I will demonstrate the games page now. As the child clicks on the games page, they are directed to a homepage for the games where there's 3 games they're able to choose from. The games load up, and the child is able to play these games in their own fashion. So I'll demonstrate one of these games where the child has to click on these to get some score. The next improvements we added to our websites were based on the parents' pages and their parents' profile. The first thing we added to the homepage was the hours of operation down here. The hours of operations can be adjusted by the admin and can be based on the actual hours of operations for the store. If I navigate to user login and log into this account, it will direct me to a newly made homepage for the parents. This tells them about the website and what our future plans is to do with the website. Also, there's the same image gallery from the other homepage used here to keep it simple and keep the same design throughout the whole website. If I navigate to the profile page, you will see some new changes made to it. The CSS for our website is not complete, so please don't take this as the final version. The CSS and styling will be updated throughout the website to make it more visually appealing as we go on. The parents profile now has all the other parents that they can connect with. They're able to send friend requests to all these other parents and see the friend requests they have received from other parents. Finally, the next unique part is they're able to chat with other parents on the website. So if I were to click here, send message, I will get a chat box here that comes up. As you can see, there's previously messages that are sent when we were testing the chat system. If I were to send a message here, hello test, it will come up down here and is sent to the other user. Now, I will log in with this account and show that the other person received this message. Now I will log into this other account and show that the message has been sent. If I log in, navigate to the profile page, go to my message history with Mohamed Abood, which is the person who just sent the message, I will see that this hello test is right here as we just sent it. Now this account is able to reply back and this message will be sent to the person in the same fashion as you can see right here. Finally, the parents portal now has a calendar page where the user can navigate to. If they click on calendar in the home bar, they will see a calendar of all the events that are coming up. Currently, we only have this event showing up, and later in the video or before, you will see how the admin is able to add events to this calendar, and then it will be automatically updated and shown into this calendar for the parents.
So now in this part, I'm going to be showing you the admin controls that we've added during Sprint 2. So if I come to the admin login, Ali, say password, login, I'll log in successfully. And then if I go all the way down to the bottom, you'll see I can see all the parents that are currently registered, and I can unregister them or register them. And if I unregister them, like here, they won't be able to log in anymore. So the admin will have control over who's logging in and not. And then another feature we added was the calendar. So this houses all the events. As you can see, I've just put some random jumble into here just for some data, just so you can see the events. And then if you come down here, click it, you can see all the information. You can see the attendees. So even for an event like reading, it's on the 28th. That one actually has attendees, as you can see. And then the last part we added here was if the admin wants to edit any of the children's information, you can come here. So for example, I go to Bobby, and I come here and edit. You can come to Bobby, you just name to Bobby Joe, update the child, and the information will change right here. And then the last part is the gallery. So if you come here and exit and go back to the main page, go to the gallery. As you can see, there's many images in here. So then if I go back to the admin login and add more images to this gallery, I can upload a new image. Submit it. So the image uploaded successfully. So then if I go to admin login, or if I go to gallery, one of these is the images I uploaded, and it shuffles through them every 3 seconds.
Thank you very much for listening to our Sprint 2 accomplishments. In this video, I've showed you all the items and tasks we completed during Sprint 2, and hopefully the website has become better and more complex. Thank you.